Hello, 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 all you beautiful faces. Well, today I'm putting together my two only Ipsy bags. This is my last glam bag, and I'm pretty dang sure this is my last Ipsy Glam Plus. All my other accounts are canceled and have been canceled. Honestly, Ipsy is is kind of like stinksy to me right now. So I'm not too thrilled with them. Oh wow. The world's tiniest lash box ever as an add-on. Those look interesting. Yeah, they look pretty good though. I'm really glad that they had lashes in there, and they for the buy two get one free. I got the brush. This is an all-over highlight brush. Those were the just buy one get one. So this is what I got. This is a very nice brush, a very well made Real Techniques, and I will absolutely use this, but I think I'd like it as a good blender, even though it says for highlight. But I'm really glad I got it. I think I'm really bummed I did not get it on both sides, because this is one of the most well-made brushes I've ever seen, ever. Luxury right there. The Ipsy bag is honestly, I think one of the cutest bags they've ever done. I love that it's plain. If it opens, it looks like mine does not zip up. Oh, yeah, my zipper is all jacked. Oh, they sent me a defective bag. So, of course, my favorite bag, and it's broken. It's broken. So, repeat item, Belief, Aqua Bomb, Water Bomb, the True Cream. Got this before, and I've got it before twice. Not happy to get this again. The Perlice BB Cream, and here's the deal about this. They sent me light medium. I'm not light medium, I'm light. I don't dig, and I wrote them, and they were idiots about it. They, again, rude. They sent me 3 duplicate items, or 2 duplicate items. Actually, I have gotten this before. So it's 3 duplicate items, and then they sent me the wrong color. And they were just like, what? Oh, no biggie. Oh my gosh, wow. Hey, honey, look into my eyes. I have gotten this before. I love this. I'm very happy to get it, but I have gotten it before. If we're going to get repeat items, we should be able to select the things we want. I mean, I would have selected this, I'm not going to lie, but I don't like getting things over and over, and now I've got 2 skincare items in one bag. Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Look at how cheesy Tarte's getting now. Remember how nice they used to be? Now it's teeny tiny. Their samples used to be huge. Now their samples are getting stingier. But whatever. I've already gotten these in galore as well. And then I got a fluid nail polish in a very unusual dark gray, which is not the color they said they were sending me. So go stinking figure. I'm sorry, I'm just not impressed with Ipsy anymore. I'm not. I was an Ipsy girl all the way, and you guys know it because you've watched my videos. I was like, Ipsy blows Boxy Charm away. Ipsy is #1. They are the best. They're the bomb. I'm sorry, Ipsy stinks now. Stinks. And Boxy Charm is putting them to shame. I mean, putting them to shame right now. Putting them to shame. And I am not afraid to say it. Ipsy, their customer service stinks to high heaven. And their boxes and their stuff is terrible. I'm sorry, but terrible. So, oh, I did get 2. Yes, I'm so happy that I paid for 2. Okay, that's what I did. I got 2 of the same add-ons, so I got buy one get one free. So I got both of these for $3. So That is one of the best things about Ipsy. What is that? Okay, this is weird. Oh, I think these are things I redeemed. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me, Ipsy. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, I redeemed points. I swear, I really want to scream right now. I'm so mad. I'm glad I got another bag. This is not the same. I like the other one better. I don't like zip fronts like this. But let's see if this one's got a crappy zipper. Well, this one zips properly. So, glad I got another silver bag, and the bag is beautiful. I got the Tarte Stay and Spray, Stay Spray, Setting Spray. I'm sorry, Tarte, but this is the cheapest looking packaging I've ever seen in my life, and I would not buy it for full price because of how cheap it looks. Like, Tarte, you guys can do better than that. I'm just going to tell you the truth of what I think. But in this day and age, when you've got Farsali with gold in it and how beautiful packaging is, nobody wants the 1970s slap a sticker on a plastic bottle and put a pink top on it look anymore. That's outdated. Outdated. The second thing I got, which this feels empty, it feels like there's nothing in it, is the Evolue Super Oil, and it is. You can see it. Here is the light. The liquid is to right here when you hold this up to the light. That is half full. Which is weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm looking at the things that I redeemed, and they did not send me what my choices were, and that's why I'm really upset right now, because I did not choose this crappy little thing as for 1,200 points. Like, I redeemed a bunch of points, and this is what they send instead of what I chose. Rose Absolute Face Serum. I did not choose that either. And I don't even know what the heck this is. Some kind of cheek stick, or I'm without words right now, because if I'm going to redeem my points to get stuff, I want the stuff I chose. Okay, this is a lippy. Red lippy. This is an add-on. So, they sent me these two things. They still owe me one. I redeemed enough points for 3 items. They still did not send me, and then they did not send me what I chose. So, like I said, Ipsy sucks. I'm sorry, and their customer service is the worst ever. So, they sent me 2 lip balms. Crappy, cheesy little lip balms, and this is one item in a deluxe box. I'm sorry, what? What? First of all, I don't even have setting sprays on my account. These are rarely. Don't send them to me. I don't want them. So they sent me a setting spray. I have no lip balms because every time I get these little lip balms, they're rancid. That means they've gone bad from sitting in their warehouse. I've literally gotten 3 from them that are rancid. That means they're rotten. When you smell them, they are rotten. And then they send me 2 lip balms, which I don't even want getting. Like, this is crap to me. I'm sorry. And that's not what I pay. I would not pay $5 for these 2 things. And if this box is 25 bucks, I would not ever choose those. I wouldn't even want them if they were giving them away for free. Wouldn't want them. Oh my gosh. So, I got a brush, which goes with the other brush. And I have to say, this brush is beautiful. It is very well made, but brush is not worth what they claim that this is worth, which it's like $38. I can't even get the thing off of it. It's beautiful, and it's very elegantly made, but I just, one brush is just not super impressive to me. Look, I'm sorry. We are spoiled by these beauty boxes. We are. And I'll be the first to admit it, girls. So my expectations are high. This is good. Has to be my favorite thing in the box, but I still don't think this qualifies as one, glam plus high-end item. That, to me, one brush, when I would never pay $38 for that brush or whatever. The last thing I got is this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, and the lip balms. Itsy Bitsy Boo. I am so sorry, but I have no words, but I just want to give you guys all a little bit of clue about this for you who did not get it. You see, you take this right here and you pull it out, and this is a Z palette. This is not a palette of 4 things. It is a Z palette for you to take these and roll them down, and then you can add more shadows to your little Z palette. So they try to make it look like a Natasha Denona, like you're getting this woo cool high end. Again, I don't know if I got a card. I don't see a card here claiming what my things are worth, or else I'll tell you. But I think this was like supposed to be $68, and you wouldn't rip it out of my dead hands to get this thing for a stinking Z palette with 4 shadows from a name-up brand I've never, ever heard of. Ever. And 4 super boring drab colors. I mean, yes, will I use the colors? Sure. But would I most likely give this away? Sure. Not impressed. Just not impressed. I am unsubscribing officially from Ipsy altogether. I will let them get their crap together. I'll let them try to pull it all together. I'm sorry, but I am so completely unimpressed. And I think the best thing that came out of these boxes are the lashes that I got for free as an add-on, and my 2 little single brushes that I got as add-on for $3. Honestly, and my brush. I'm not impressed with anything else in it, and honestly, I'm done with Ipsy. I just am not going to even give them $25 of my money because of the way they treat me, and because of the fact that they are just going downhill. I think they're full of themselves, they're getting full of pride, and therefore they think that they don't have to apply or try, and that they can just lie to us and do all this stuff. No, not impressed, not having it. So, Ipsy, you're done. But I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed seeing all the stuff they sent. I mean, woo! Who wants to arm wrestle over winning 2 lip balms today? Oh my gosh! Leave me a big comment down below, and we'll see who can win the 2 excited lip balms today. Woo! Woo! Don't get too excited now. Don't go running out, streaking down the street because I'm giving away 2 lip balms. Woo! Like, oh my gosh, living large and in charge. Oh, okay. Can you guys tell I haven't been out of bed in a while? Like, I'm so excited to be up today. Like, the old Pamela is coming back up to the surface, and I like it. But, okay. Who leaves the most exciting comment wins. Could it be you? Could it be you? Could it be you? Could it be you? Let me know below. Love you. Pray that God keeps you safe. It's a crazy world we live in.